Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, you're highly welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe while you're at it. Today's video I'll be talking about how to make natural based gel with the use of flaxseed to make the gel. Flaxseed gel is an alternative for chemical based gel like we have out there. We have so many chemical based gel which is not healthy for a natural hair person. A flaxseed gel is the right gel or the natural way for you to gel your hair with no fear of chemical damage. So while we're at it, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification icon afterwards so you can get notified when I post a new video. Also like this video if you find it helpful. Let's start the video.
Okay guys, I'm just going to preheat my pot and boil some water in it so as to start up the flaxseed gel making process. I'm just going to add 2 cups of water. Then this is a particular brand of flaxseed I'm using at the moment. You can use any one you like. This is Butterfly Gold. So I'm just going to add a 1/4 cup of flaxseed to the pot I'm cooking with. If you don't know what flaxseed looks like when you go to the market, this is just basically what it should look like. So I'm just going to let this get to a boil so as to extract the juice from the flaxseed. You can eyeball your measurement if you want to, depending on how much gel you want to get out of your flaxseed, and you can determine how thick you can get or how thin the gel should be. After getting to a proper boil, I would reduce the fire. As you can see, it's beginning to show signs of gel. When you have a thick consistency like this, you've gotten to that stage where you have to turn off the heat totally. I'm just going to set aside the flaxseed for it to cool down a little bit. Then I'll get ready for the extraction process. Now for the extraction process, I'm just going to be using this very light wig cap. This would enable me squeeze out the gel easily with no stress. Just going to pour my mixture into the cap. Ooh, you can see how thick it is. That's what you want to have. Like I said, you can want it very thick or very light. This is just average, medium. So I'm just going to squeeze out the gel. You can see how jelly looks. It's quite easy to squeeze out. My major fear was how I was going to separate the whole process, but trust me, it's easier than it looks. It was very fast to make, easy, and it's all natural. At least you know what you're putting into your natural hair. It looks slimy though, but it's worth it. Now this is what the remnants would be like, and you can just dispose that off. Then you're left with the proper gel. You can see the consistency, how thick it looks. So you can gel your hair with this. You could you could make your favorite style. You can substitute this for chemical based gel with no fear of damage to your natural hair or side effects. Give this a try and you'll love it.
Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please support me by clicking this picture over here. Subscribe. Do have a lovely day. See you in my next video. Bye.